Okay, our next activity is a vocabulary exercise where we'll be talking about and learning about some of the vocabulary related to environmental issues. So what I'd like you to do again to pause the video and choose the correct vocabulary term for each definition, and then we'll look at them together. So, how'd you do? Let's take a look at this together. Climate change is the changes in long-term, it's B, the answer is B, changes in long-term weather patterns, which many scientists believe are caused by human activity. And it's not many scientists, it's virtually all scientists now. There is pretty much universal agreement that climate change is caused by human activity. Freshwater scarcity is the lack of safe and drinkable water. Deforestation is the removal of trees from an area, transforming a forest into cleared land. So basically it's cutting down too many trees. And of course we need trees because they produce oxygen for us to breathe. Pollution is harmful or poisonous substances that contaminate air, water, and soil. Poisonous substances, things that hurt us, that make it sick. Contaminate, that means contaminate means to negatively affect. So pollution, that's F. Carbon monoxide is A, the poisonous gas formed by the burning of carbon, especially in the form of car fuel. And carbon dioxide is a natural gas. It's natural to the atmosphere. It's the gas formed when carbon is burned or when people or animals breathe out. We breathe out carbon dioxide. Trees breathe, we breathe out carbon dioxide and in carbon, one more time. We breathe out carbon dioxide and we breathe in oxygen. And trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. So it's a reciprocal or an interdependent relationship. Desertification means when deserts expand. That means the process by which land, particularly land that can be farmed, changes into desert. Because for the most part, you can't farm in the desert. And finally, disposable products are items that are intended to be thrown away after use, and usually and oftentimes after one use. So things that have to be thrown out, of course, where do they go? That's the topic for a whole other lesson. So that's a little vocabulary. Let's go ahead and go on to our next activity,